So in this video we are just going to create a little simple drawing game. I'm actually going to get rid of that sprite. I'm just going to draw my own little, sprite. I'm going to keep it really simple because I want this to be what draws on the screen. So just going to keep it really small. Can make that a little bit smaller. I think probably go about 6 that size. Okay, so what I want to happen here is I want it to go to my finger. So I'm going to go to hand sensing, which will turn the camera on. Right, next what I'm going to do is when the green flag is clicked, I actually want that sprite to go to my finger, which is what I'm going to draw with. So I'm going to go to, and I think we're going to use my index finger. That just feels more natural to me. I go to the tip. So what's going to happen is when the green flag is clicked, it's going to go to my finger. Remember, you need to put a loop on that. So I'm going to pop forever loop on there. And then what I want to do is I want it to draw. I mean, at the moment, what's happening, what should happen, is when it sees my finger, it will follow that round, okay? It's using AI to make the decisions on that. Got a little bit confused there. Right, now let's do the drawing. So again, come down here, and you're going to add the pen. So I'm going to go in here and add the pen. To start with, we'll just draw in the same color, I think. So at the can do that at the beginning of the game. I'm going to set the pen color. Might just do it to the same color as my sprite. Ooh, there we go. And I'm going to put my pen down at the beginning of the game as well. And then what should happen? I have forgotten. Oh yeah, no, that's correct. Stop and start it again. So now it gets a little bit confused, but generally it is drawing where my hand goes. It's getting confused with my other fingers. Right, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a button that's going to clear it. So let's use this here. So I'm going to have a button for wiping. So pick a color that you like. I'm just going to make a little circle for this, I think. So I'm just going to I'm holding shift down when I draw that so it stays in center. Get my text tool. I think I'm going to make the font white. Do something like Y or clear screen. In order to center the text, I'm just going to grab the arrow and I'm going to move that. Okay, right, so I've got my sprite and we're going to move that over. Now what I want to happen here is when the user waves over the wipe, I'm going to clear the screen. For this, we actually need something called video sensing. And I'm going to say on this wipe sprite, when the video motion, we'll get it to go something like about 40, so not just a gentle one. Still drawn. Let's go when the motion is over 40, go to the pen and use erase all. So let's stop that and start it again. So another thing actually I'm going to do is on my sprite 1, when the green flag is clicked, I'm actually going to erase all. It says click stop, start, so it erases all. Here comes a finger. Go ahead and draw. Okay, and now if I go over to the white button and give a wave, it should... Oh, let's have a look. What's wrong with my code? It doesn't appear to. Go back to the wipe. I think because I'm recording on this as well as doing this, it's not working, but that should actually erase all. Maybe it's not picking up my movement fast enough. Oh, there we go. It did. It picked it up. Yeah, now what you can think about is maybe could you have other buttons along the side here that maybe change the color of the paint that you're using? Have a little go at that.